use the action button to recognize music in iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max. Go to settings and action button, slide across to shortcuts and tap the shortcut option. Create a shortcut. Now find recognize music and you will have a Shazam button. Press and hold it Shazam button and it will show the Shazam music recognition graphic in your dynamic island and then tell you when it's found the song. Press action button on your iPhone Pro Max or iPhone Pro 15 Pro and press Shazam and hold Shazam button installed in your iPhone and enjoy music all around. That's all.